everybody, this is SirPierre, back the same day actually with another unboxing. I think it's too bright, but let me know what you think. The summer is here, I'm glad for that, so I shouldn't complain. I think this is a bag, a sneaker bag. I'm not sure actually. Yeah, it is. And I'm not sure why I ordered it. It's a bag for keeping your sneakers not safely, but a bag for your sneakers. And I already have, what's this? I already have a bag like that the OG sneakerhead did Mayor. The OG sneakerhead Mayor did a couple years ago. Ah, I see. Okay. But the thing with that bag, I'm gonna show you, is that my big sneakers usually don't fit. This bag is very nice quality and with small pouches, and the 11s that I think is like a mid top or something, I can't fit. You see, I just put one shoe in there, and so usually when I use this bag, yeah, it doesn't go. Usually when I use this bag, I put one sneaker per compartment, or I use this for something else, because it's nice to have the toilet things in one case, and etc, etc. So the idea of this bag is good, but the pocket is too small when you have big feet. The idea with this bag is that you have your shoes standing up, and these are like the walls. So let's see. So I can choose myself how big the compartments should be for the sneakers, but I don't like that I have to put this myself. Yeah, this was a pain in the ass to put in place. So yeah, for my big feet, I'm probably just gonna use two of the walls, so I get 3 compartments like this. But if you have smaller feet, you have the option to have 4 compartments. And these sneakers go like this, but it's still too small. So yeah, like this. But I see like that I can't fit 4 compartments. I'm gonna fix this up and put some shoes in and show you. Alright, so I packed the bag with my sneakers as tight as possible. They just happen to be black and white sneakers. But and these are, the Hyperdogs aren't super big, the 11s aren't big, the 13s are kind of big, but I still can only fit 3 pairs. I can fit a pair of low tops perhaps, but I don't have so many low top shoes. So low tops, okay, let me see. These are kind of low tops, and I don't think they will fit. All right, they did. So very tight. Let me see if I can close it. All right. So this is a way of carrying in 4 pair of shoes with, yeah, I don't know. Usually if I travel somewhere, I have a bunch of shoes with me. Like if I'm going away a weekend, I have like 10 pair of shoes with me, and I put them in plastic bags in my big travel suitcase, and just make it fit. So we still have different kind of compartments that you can have other stuff in. Quite a lot of them. So we have 3 in the front. I don't understand why this is so small. That's it for that one. Nothing on the back. And on the inside we have, this is supposed to be replaceable, it's not. Compartment here, the small ones for your sneaker products, cleaning products. And yeah, this is the shoes. I could do this with just a standard duffel bag, I think. And I think I would fit more than 4 pairs. But if you want to travel in style, and if you don't want your shoes to be in touch with each other, I guess this is a nice bag to have. The reason why I bought it, I just remember, was because all the years I've been going to Cali Swap in Stockholm, I've been buying so many pair of shoes that I have to have them shipped to me. And this time I was thinking of having those 2 bags with my standard bags, and fit some shoes in it. I think this is small enough. Yeah, it must be small enough to be used as a carry-on on a plane. Oh, we have another compartment here on the back. It's a nice bag, it is. Yeah, so I bought a sneaker bag. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions about the bag or anything at all, just ask me, hit me up, and please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys.